Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to explore the preloaded watch faces for the smartwatch, as well as we are going to download an additional watch face. We'll check the list of watch faces for the Realme Watch 5, as well as custom wallpaper. So if you are interested to know more about the smartwatch, especially on the section of watch faces, watch this video. And of course, if you find this video tutorial useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the watch face section of the Realme Watch 5. Before we check on the watch faces, let's go first with the settings for the display. So what are the options available for the display? So we have here an always on display support. We have a sync watch faces, display and brightness we have here. So as you can see here, 100% for the brightness. On screen time, we have raise to wake and double tap to wake. So that's it for the settings for the display screen. For the watch face, if you want to change it, long press, then swipe. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have at least 9 watch faces. And if you notice, some of the watch face here or dial do have these settings. We have at least 2 here. For example, this one. So meaning this is dynamic watch faces. You can change the function here. For example, I want to change it to stopwatch. You can change it to stopwatch. Then tap on it. Long press. We have another one here. We can change. And set. Tap on it. So if you're going to use the watch face here, for example this one, if you select it, it serves as a shortcut for the function. Let's see with this one. Okay, so this is battery. The other one, long press. Let's see if we can change it. This one, compass. Okay, we'll change it first. Settings, steps. Let's see if we can access the steps here. Okay, so it's not working for this one. I guess because there's a hand. Okay, and our hand here on the icon. Well, this one is okay. Let's change it to the first one. So this one is easy to use. Just tap on it and we have here the watch face or the function. We have additional watch faces in the support app. We also have additional dynamic watch faces, and let's check it out. We have here the face gallery. We're still syncing. Let's wait. And we have the face gallery. We have my faces. So we have smart screen. We have the honeycomb here, the cat time, color flow, digit, elegant dial. So these are the collection of watch faces. We have the clean watch faces here. We have the album dial also. So let's check some of the design here. Then we have illustration watch faces. So it is a combination of analog and digital. In the section of watch faces for our watch 5, we have functional here. I think this one is the dynamic section for watch faces. We'll check it later. We'll download the functional watch face. We'll pick this one later on. So we have a lot of options here. We have dynamic, here. Then we have Indian festivals. So these are the built-in watch faces. So let's try to download an example. So let's go for the clean watch faces. Let's have this one. Let's check some of the designs here. I'm going with this one. This one, large digital calendar. I think this one is okay. And it is just 82 kilobyte. So let's download this one. Sync to watch. It's now syncing. And as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. And let's see. And we have here our downloaded watch faces. Nice. Then let's go here, my faces. Let's check, and it's here. So if you want to change the watch face, you can just go here in the watch face section and just select. Okay, this one is also good. 8:26 p.m. Very beautiful. Another one before we proceed to the custom watch face. Let's look for this one. Okay, this one is good. Sync. And our smartwatch here switch to synchronization mode. And we have here the new watch face. Simple, clean, and beautiful. Next, let's try the custom or the album watch face. So let's pick add watch face, choose from album, photos. Let's select this one, then check. Let's crop, adjust the time, change the color, and what else? That's it. Then select sync to device, and we have here our smartwatch again synchronizing with a custom wallpaper or watch face. Let's wait. And that's it for our custom wallpaper or dial for the Realme Watch 5. So far, we do have a lot of interesting watch faces here. So we have at least 2 additional watch face, and we have a custom watch face. So we have the clean. Again, let's check. We have the clean dials or watch face. We have illustration, beautiful flowers here, beautiful petals. I also like this one. Then we have functional, functional dial, dynamic, the Indian, and the built-in watch faces. So that's it for our demo of watch faces for the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch. If you are interested to know more about this wearable, subscribe to our channel. We'll provide more information about the Realme Watch 5. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.